hope you're all doing well. Today we're looking at my top 5 Mac apps. If you like what you see in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really makes a huge difference. So let's jump into it. Now, the Mac comes with a default terminal. This can be found in Applications, Utilities, Terminal, or by pressing Command Space and typing the word Terminal. I don't like to use this. The application I prefer to use is called iTerm. It's a terminal replacement that has lots of great features built into it, like clicking links you see on the command line, and even better, a cooler looking interface that reminds me of the Matrix. So let's go to the iTerm website and install. You simply search for iTerm and iTerm macOS. Okay, now that we're on the web page, we can simply click on a download link and then go to our downloads folder, and we should see iTerm 2 app. What we do then is just drag and drop it into Applications. Okay, let's close some of these windows and access the iTerm application. Now let's go into Preferences and change one or two settings. Okay, let's go into Appearance and Themes. We have 3 options: regular, minimal, compact. Let's try the minimal. If we pick that, it takes us straight back into iTerm, and as you can see, it gives us a nice, great solid colour throughout the bar and window. So we like that, let's keep that. Go into Text and change your font size there. At the moment I have it at 18, let's increase that to 20. As soon as you change it, it increases the font. If I was to change it to 2, you see it's gone back down. But 20 is good, we'll keep it at 20. Okay, next we're going to look at colours. They have lots of options here and quite a few default presets. So just pick the one you like and change your background and foreground colours. And that's pretty much it for iTerm 2. If you guys want a deep dive on how I use iTerm and the Batman theme that I'm rocking, please leave a like and comment below and I will create a future episode. Okay, for our second app, we're going to go with Lulu. This is a free Mac firewall app that helps you block unknown connections unless you approve those connections. I use this both on my desktop Mac and my Mac laptop. Now, I find Lulu has been extremely useful in my everyday life just to see what's communicating with my devices. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay, once more, type in Safari and let's go to Lulu, and the toolset is within Objective-C. There we go. Let's go to the web page and you can see an option to download. Okay, let's download. Once downloaded, just go into Finder and you should see a DMG file there. Now if we double click the DMG file, it unzips it for us, and once done, you just simply drag the Lulu app into the application folder. So let's close some of these windows and launch the Lulu application. So again, to launch Lulu, Command Space, type in the word Lulu and it launches. What we're interested is in the preferences. So if you click on the installed icon, go into Preferences and you see 3 tabs: Rules, Mode and Update. Just make your selections based on your devices. Again, if you need more detailed instructions, you can go to the website or drop a like, and if we can hit 50 likes, I can do a deep dive episode on how I've set this up. Okay, our third app is Inner. In my opinion, this is the most powerful and versatile video player for macOS. Now, Mac has many popular video players. I used to use VLC and Almeida. I found them both had some shortcomings. This is why I believe this is the top choice to play videos. So again, let's go into Safari and go to the Inner website. Once on the website, we click download, and again it should save it into our downloads folder. Again, once it's downloaded, we can access it by going to our downloads folder in Finder, and again it's a DMG file, so if we double click it, it will unzip and give us the icon to install. Again, with the same as Lulu, we just drag the app into our applications folder. So let's close some of these application windows and launch the application itself. Again, command space and type in inner, and there we go. So once the splash screen pops up, we have options to either open a video, open a website, or just resume the last one we were watching. So let's choose that one. Now, Inner is a free open source video player. It's got strong performance and compatibility and is able to support smooth playback of almost all major video formats and support network playback. This player perfectly fits the modern Mac design, and it's lightweight and powerful, and I found it to have the best user experience. Again, there's so many options to play with. I hope you enjoy using it as much as I do. So our next app, it's called App Cleaner. Now, App Cleaner focuses on one thing: getting rid of unwanted apps completely. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is click, drag and drop. So let's go ahead and install it. Again, we head to Safari, we type in App Cleaner OS X, and there we go, App Cleaner by Free Macsoft. Again, we just click on the download link and it should go straight down to our download folder. So again, let's access our download folder, and there it is. Now with this one, we just drag and drop it into the applications folder. Again, let's close some of these windows and get to the application itself. So let's open the application. Right, so we need to find an app that we don't wish to use anymore. And to do that, let's go into my Finder window. Let's choose Bear. Now all you have to do is simply drag and drop the application you don't want into the window, and as you can see, it's searching for all the files associated with it. Okay, once done, it will show you all the files associated with that application, and you tick the ones you want to delete or not delete, and once done, click remove, and there you go, it's all removed. Now, the app has tools that make sure you delete everything associated with an unwanted app. If you go into preferences, it also has a great feature called Smart Delete. This can be toggled on and off. This handy tool notices when you move an application to the trash and automatically detects any files related to that app. Then it prompts you to delete those files as well. Okay, for that reason, I use App Cleaner as it's great at what it does. It allows me to uninstall apps for good and stop related data from cluttering up my Mac. If your aim is to delete apps you haven't used for a while, App Cleaner is the best choice. Okay, my fifth and final app is a code editor. Now these are the go-to tool for anyone wanting to dive deeper into web design and development. They can make the work much easier than standard text editors. The problem, there are loads of editors, making it difficult to decide on the right tool for you. For that reason, I've ended up with Atom. Now Atom can be downloaded from the official website, so let's head over there and do that. And again, we type in Safari, Atom for Mac, and there we go, Atom. So we simply click on download, and once downloaded we can go into our download folder and install it. So we go to Finder, download, and there it is. We simply drag and drop that into the application folder. Again, let's close some of these windows and access the application itself. So let's launch Atom. So as you can see from here, you can do many things. To simply open a file, click File and Open, and select the one on your desktop or within any folder. So now, once more, if you want a deep dive etc. on how I use Atom and some of the standout features it has for coding or design and development, drop a like, and if we can hit 50 likes, we will do a deep dive. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next episode.